Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see recent players on Steam. And now let's dive right in. Now to see the recent players on Steam which you had played games with, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I have opened my Steam and logged into my account. And on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see over here is a username available for us just beside the community where I'm hovering. And when you hover over there with your mouse, this kind of menu appears. Click on the friends option available for us over here, and when this panel appears guys, you can see on this interface where it says friends, this option where it says the recently played with, click on that, and all of the players with whom you had played a game on the past from Steam will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to see recent players on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.